Hi, my name's Peter Googe, Product Manager with Kuhn Krause, and in this video we're going to talk about how the electrical harnesses for Smart Soil technology should be correctly installed on the machine. There are really only three harnesses to be concerned with from an installation point of view. The majority of the connections are made already inside the TIC, but we do need to install the sensor harness, which plugs into the bottom of the TIC and then routes up the left-hand side of the machine and branches off left and right to the wing connections. When we describe left and right during assembly, we're always in the direction of travel, so the left-hand side and the right-hand side as if you were sitting in the tractor working with the machine. From the connection on the wing, there's going to be a second harness plugs in, and that's going to have connections for the gang sensor, the wing position sensor, the depth control sensor, and then the rear gang, and it's going to be the same over on the other side. The most important thing here is to make sure that the left hand and right hand sensors are connected appropriately to that main central harness. They are designated left and right, and the harness is designed so that it only fits properly when it's routed up across the left hand side of the machine. If those sensors get inverted left and right, the Smart Soil technology system is incorrectly reading left and right sensors, and it will start to give some errors in work. So once again, as with the hydraulics, it's just worth taking a few moments to follow those harnesses and make sure that they've been correctly installed before we begin work.